Welcome back to Million Dollar Mansions, the channel where we explore the world's most breathtaking luxury estates, architectural masterpieces, and dream homes built for elite living. Today, we're stepping inside a stunning American-style luxury mansion that perfectly blends modern elegance, natural surroundings, and next-level comfort. This estate isn't just a house, it's a statement of power, prestige, and refined taste. Nestled against a serene forest backdrop, this magnificent property immediately captures attention with its grand presence. The exterior design features a sophisticated combination of natural stone and smooth stucco, finished in a timeless neutral color palette. The dark gray shingle roof, equipped with sleek solar panels, adds both sustainability and modern appeal. As the sun sets, the entire home begins to glow with warm golden interior lighting that radiates through the expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows, creating a cinematic and welcoming atmosphere. From the aerial view, the symmetry of the architecture stands out beautifully. The mansion is designed across multiple levels, each thoughtfully crafted to maximize views of the surrounding greenery. Large arched windows dominate the central facade, allowing natural light to flood the interior during the day while offering a dramatic illuminated look at night. Elegant exterior lighting highlights the stone textures and landscaping, enhancing the estate's luxurious presence. Moving to the backyard, we discover one of the property's most impressive features, a long, rectangular infinity-style swimming pool. The crystal-clear blue water reflects the warm interior lights, creating a peaceful yet lavish environment. Submerged loungers sit inside the shallow section of the pool, offering a resort-style relaxation experience right at home. The surrounding stone terrace provides ample space for sunbeds, outdoor gatherings, and evening entertainment. Carefully designed landscaping with trimmed greenery and soft garden lights completes this private oasis. An upper terrace balcony overlooks the pool area, offering panoramic views of the estate and the forest beyond. This elevated outdoor space is perfect for sunset gatherings or quiet morning coffee while enjoying the tranquility of nature. Off to the side, a detached pavilion-style structure mirrors the main house's design, featuring matching stonework, elegant windows, and warm interior lighting, ideal for hosting guests or creating a private retreat. Now let's step inside. The moment you enter, you're welcomed by a grand double-height living room that immediately defines luxury. Massive floor-to-ceiling glass walls frame the outdoor scenery like living artwork. The interior design embraces a neutral palette of beige, cream, and soft gray tones, enhancing the home's sophisticated ambiance. A stunning chandelier hangs from the high ceiling, while a stone accent wall adds depth and texture to the space. The open layout ensures seamless flow between living, dining, and kitchen areas. The kitchen is a true centerpiece of modern American design. A large white marble island anchors the space, complemented by sleek custom cabinetry and high-end appliances. Warm pendant lighting adds a cozy glow, while oversized windows bring in natural light and provide peaceful views of the surrounding forest. This kitchen is designed not just for cooking, but for gathering, entertaining, and creating unforgettable memories. Adjacent to the kitchen, the formal dining area overlooks the pool through expansive glass walls. A long wooden dining table sits beneath elegant ambient lighting, creating the perfect setting for intimate dinners or large celebrations. The connection between indoor and outdoor spaces is seamless, reinforcing the estate's open and airy design philosophy. The master bedroom continues the theme of elegance and comfort. Large windows allow natural light to pour in while offering breathtaking sunset views. The decor remains consistent with soft neutral tones, plush textures, and minimalist sophistication. The attached master bathroom feels like a private spa, featuring marble flooring, a freestanding soaking tub placed near a large window, and a sleek glass-enclosed shower. Every detail is crafted for relaxation and indulgence. For entertainment, the home includes a private theater room with plush reclining seats and soft LED lighting, delivering a true cinematic experience. A cozy family lounge area with expansive seating and pool views offers another inviting space for everyday living. Throughout the entire estate, attention to detail is evident in every corner, from the carefully chosen materials to the harmonious blend of modern architecture and natural surroundings. This mansion represents the pinnacle of American luxury living, bold yet elegant, grand yet welcoming, modern yet timeless. This property isn't just about square footage or design, it's about lifestyle. It's about waking up to forest views, hosting unforgettable evenings by the pool, and experiencing comfort at the highest level every single day. Thank you for watching Million Dollar Mansions. If you love exploring extraordinary homes like this one, Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another luxury tour. Stay inspired, stay ambitious, and we'll see you in the next episode of $1 Million Mansions, where dreams meet reality.